Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make probiotic rice kanji at home, only ways. Start by rinsing rice and cooking it with plenty of water until very soft, then cool to lukewarm temperature. Stir in a starter like sourdough discard or previous kanji, cover, and ferment at room temperature for 24 to 48 hours until tangy. Taste and refrigerate, serving chilled with salt and tempered spices, and enjoy. Collect simple ingredients: rice, water, and a starter like sourdough discard or previous kanji. Use a ratio of 1 part rice to 8 parts water for porridge consistency. Cook until grains break and the mixture is smooth, then cool to lukewarm and mix in starter. Keep covered in a warm spot to ferment, stirring once or twice a day, and taste after 24 hours to gauge tang. Adjust water to achieve thickness you prefer. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which listens to voice control and maps your rooms for efficient cleaning. It saves time while you ferment and prep kanji, so your floors stay tidy without interrupting the process. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Watch fermentation closely to avoid oversouring and unwanted growth. If you see fuzzy mold or off smells, discard and start again, as safety matters. Keep utensils clean, use glass or ceramic containers, and maintain a consistent warm temperature for best results. Refrigerate when flavor reaches your liking to slow fermentation, and enjoy probiotic benefits by consuming small portions daily as part of a balanced diet, and consult a professional if you have immune issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.